This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 313 RLTSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Java interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, microwave, water heater, spare tire kit, slideout, skylight, TV, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 313 RLTSLE is 8,409 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.